Hello students, in this class we discuss some important problems based on relation between tangents drawn from a point to the circle whenever the relation between the tangents are given. In this particular problem, if you observe theta 1 and theta 2 are the angles of inclination of tangents through a point P to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Find the locus of P when cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to K. See from the information, there is a circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. For this circle, from a point in the same plane, let us consider P h comma K be the point in the plane. From this point, a pair of tangents are drawn which are satisfying from the point P. A pair of tangents are drawn. Suppose from this condition, we need to find out the locus of P. Once again, a circle is given and a point from a point in the same plane, a pair of tangents are drawn to the circle by satisfying the condition cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to K. So here the condition, if you observe the condition, theta 1 and theta 2 are involved. Here theta 1 and theta 2 are angle of inclination of the tangents. Angle of inclination of the tangents through a point P. What does it mean? Angle of inclination means the angles made by these two tangents with x-axis in the positive direction. Suppose if it is theta 1 and this angle should be theta 2. From this figure, we observe that the two tangents are making angles theta 1 and theta 2 with positive direction of x-axis. Seeing this, the slope of the first tangent is m1 is equal to tan theta 1. And the slope of its second tangent m2 is equal to tan theta 2. Whenever we are getting the relation, whenever by seeing the relation, see here, from the data we can understand through this diagram, a circle, given circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, and the tangent T1 is making an angle theta 1 with x-axis, T2 tangent making an angle theta 2 with x-axis. So that their slopes are m1 and m2 are tan theta 1 and tan theta 2. So from the given data, given condition, cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to K. This is the given condition. Using this condition, we need to find out the locus of point of intersection of tangents. Suppose from this point P, this is one tangent is drawn to the circle and it is another tangent drawn to the circle. Now we need to find out the locus of this point P. Suppose if it is P h comma K, this point is P h comma K, we need to find out the locus of this point using this condition. That is our aim. So whenever this is given, it can be written as 1 by tan theta 1 plus 1 by tan theta 2 is equal to K. Simplifying, you will get tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 by tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to K. As we know, these are sum of the slopes m1 m2. So m1 plus m2 by m1 m2 is equal to K. This is the relation between the slopes of tangents. So using this condition, we need to find out locus of P. Already we know that whenever a circle and a pair of tangents given, The relation between the slopes of these two tangents can be obtained from a quadratic equation. That is, whenever PH comma K be a point, through this point if a pair of tangents drawn, their equations are, the tangent equations are y is equal to mx plus or minus root over mx plus or minus a into root over 1 plus m square, that is equal to y minus mx. That implies you can write y minus mx is equal to plus or minus a into root over a is root 1 plus m square. As it is passing through PH comma K, this line satisfied by the point PH comma K, that implies K minus mh is equal to plus or minus a into root over 1 plus m square. Implies by squaring on both sides we get K minus mh whole square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. By simplifying, k square plus m square h square minus 2m hk is equal to minus a square minus m square. See here, m square into h square minus r square minus 2m hk plus k square minus a square is equal to 0. It is the quadratic equation where we get the slopes of two tangents. Here it is a quadratic equation in terms of m. This equation gives two roots whenever the P is outside the circle, exterior of the circle, and we are getting two roots of this equation, let us say m1 m2, which are slopes of the tangents. Moreover, we observe that from this equation, by the property of quadratic equation, we get the product of the roots and sum of the roots. From this equation, we notice that sum of the roots equal to sum of the roots m1 plus m2 is equal to, from this equation, minus b by a. Minus b means minus of minus 2hk, that is minus 2hk, that is minus of minus 2hk minus b by a. A means h square minus r square. This is sum of the roots. Minus of minus plus 2hk by h square minus r square. It is sum of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to c by a formula. m1 into m2 is equal to product of the roots is equal to c by a. So in this equation, ax square plus bx plus c, that is it is minus 2hk is b, k square minus a square is equal to c. C by a means k square minus a square by h square minus r square, so that we get product of the roots and sum of the roots. These are the results already given in the given condition. Substituting these values we get as from the equation 1, from equation data, m1 plus m2 is equal to 2hk by h square minus r square by m1 m2 means k square minus a square by h square minus r square. This is equal to k from the given condition. What is the condition? In the problem it is given. Using this condition, we need to find out the locus of point B. So we substituted in the given condition, we get h square minus k square is cancelled. By simplifying, you will get 2hk. So make a difference here, h comma k, this k is different from this k, it is given in the problem. Let us assume sometime it is a k1, so it is k1. So what happens, 2hk is equal to k into k1 into k square minus a square. So the required locus is, to get the required locus, replace h comma k with x comma y. So the equation of locus of, therefore the equation of locus of p, equation of locus of p is 2xy is equal to k into k1 into y square minus a square. This is the required locus of the point. See, this is another important sum in our textbook. If you see problem, this is taken from page number 48, problem number 2. If the chord of contact of a point P with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, cut the circle at a point A and B such that angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Show that P lies on the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. This is problem based on locus. And also this can be solved, this problem can be solved from the quadratic equation which relates the slopes of tangents are drawn from external point to the circle. There are some other models also, just we try to solve this problem in that model. What we have already, if a circle is given, if a pair of tangents are drawn to the circle from a point, the combined equation of from a point P h comma k, if a pair of tangents drawn to the circle, then, and also if the slopes are m1 and m2, slopes of the tangents, then the relation between the slopes given by the equation m square into h square minus a square, if it is the circle, standard circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. M square into h square minus a square minus 2m hk minus 2m hk plus k square minus a square is equal to 0. This is the relation between the slopes of tangents drawn from external point to the circle. Suppose if you observe this equation which has two roots m1 comma m2, m1 m2 are the roots of this equation, which are the slopes of tangents. Moreover, sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 is equal to minus b by a, that is 2 hk by a means h square minus a square. Product of the roots equal to m1 m2 c by a, k square minus a square by a means h square minus a square. This is product of the roots. And moreover, the angle between the tangents is given. Whenever the angle between the tangents is given, we can relate in terms of slopes. m1 minus m2 by, if theta is the angle between the tangents, if theta is angle between the tangents, theta is the angle between the tangents, tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 for acute angle, modulus of m1 plus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. If theta is equal to 90 degrees, so for suppose if theta is equal to 90 degrees, the slope is undefined, tan theta is equal to tan theta undefined, so that in that case 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. So if theta is equal to, or otherwise you can write 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to m1 minus m2 into cot theta. This is the slope between tangents. So whenever if theta is equal to 90 degrees, then what happens? 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 into cot 90. Cot 90 is equal to 0. Cos 90 by sin 90. So this product entirely 0. That is 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 0. So whenever the angle between the slopes is given, we can immediately write the condition m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. So from our equation we already know the roots, relation between the roots. From our equation, product of the roots equal to 2hk by h square minus a square. Sum of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to h square minus a square by h square minus one minute. Yes, h square minus a square. This is product of the roots equal to k square minus a square by h square minus a square is equal to minus 1. K square minus a square by h square minus a square is equal to minus 1, which implies k square minus a square is equal to h square minus a square minus of, that is it plus 1, it is minus 1. Therefore by transformations h square plus k square is equal to 2a square. This is the locus. To get the locus we replace h comma k by x square x comma y. Get x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. This is the locus of the required point, which is a director circle. Means whenever a pair of tangents are drawn to the circle which are at right angle, then the locus of all points is said to be, the locus of the point is said to be director circle. See, alternately you can do this problem using homogenization. That is, we need to find out locus of a point from which a pair of tangents are drawn to the circle which are at right angle to each other. This is the locus, a point in the locus ph comma k. Whenever we need to find out the locus of a point from which a pair of tangents are drawn, immediately we think the point of from which the point is taken. From the given point of view, you need to write a condition. So through P, a pair of tangents are drawn, a chord of contact is drawn to the circle. Chord of contact means S1 is equal to 0. So this is the condition, this is the circle equation. So that what about its S1, xx1 and xh plus the equation S1 is xh plus yk minus a square is equal to 0. This is S1 for this line. It is a line equation, chord of contact line equation. What is the condition given? Its angle is 90 degrees. The angle between the tangents is 90 degrees. So whenever the angle between the tangents is given, we can write the combined equation of the pair of lines by homogenization. With the help of the given curve, homogenize the curve equation. With the help of this line, if you homogenize the curve, means here a circle is the curve. In homogenization we studied about it. By homogenizing the circle equation with the help of the line equation, which we already find, we get combined equation of the pair of lines. This combined equation of the pair of lines, these are the pair of lines, we have already not given this pair of lines equation. So we get the pair of line equation by homogenizing the circle equation with the help of line equation. That means by homogenizing given equation, by homogenizing given equation, given circle x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. It is a curve. Given circle with the help of x h plus yk minus a square is equal to 0. We get combined equation of pair of lines. Suppose pair of tangents. Combined equation of pair of tangents. We get the combined equation of pair of tangents. Let us say PA and PB. PB. Combined equation of pair of lines PA and PB. Now the angle between the combined equation means x square. The combined equation is x square plus y square minus a square into 1 is equal to 0. As its degree is 2, it should be with degree 2. That means what should we write? X square plus y square minus a square into what we write? XH plus yk minus a square. Or to homogenize means you write 1 square here. How we get 1? So from the line equation, xh plus yk is equal to a square here. Dividing by a square, both sides we get x square. We get x square plus y, we get from this equation, it's not correct. From the given line equation, xh plus yk is equal to a square. Line equation S1 is equal to 0. xh plus yk by a square is equal to 1. So homogenizing means by homogenizing this line equation, x square plus y square minus a square into xh plus yk by a square whole square is equal to 0. So simplifying you will get a quadratic equation, a 2-degree equation in which the angle between the two tangents is 90 degrees. Therefore x square coefficient plus y square coefficient equal to 0. That is the condition. It is a 2-degree equation. By simplifying this, you will get the combined equation x square of a square minus x1 square minus x1 means h square minus 2hk xy plus y square of a square minus k square is equal to 0. This is the combined equation. After homogenizing, we get this equation. Here, whenever the pair of lines we have, if they are perpendicular to each other, then we have the result that x square coefficient plus y square coefficient is equal to 0. So what about x square coefficient? A square minus h square plus what about the y square coefficient? A square minus k square. A square minus k square is equal to 0. That implies h square plus k square is equal to 2a square by simplifying. The locus is x square plus h square plus k square is equal to 2a square. The locus is x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. This is the equation of the direct circle. It is alternating method.